Are you facing the DNS server not responding error while browsing the internet? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we will provide you quick fixes for DNS server not responding error in Windows. First, go to the control panel. Here, click on the Network and Internet options. Now, click on the Network Sharing Center, and click on your connection. Then, click on Properties. Now, search for the Internet Protocol version 4 or IP4. Use the following DNS server addresses. In the preferred DNS server, type 8888. And type 8844 in the alternative DNS server. Now, check the Validate settings upon exit. And click OK. For Windows users, you need to open your command prompt by typing the CMD in your Windows search bar and choosing the command prompt application. Now, follow me and type the commands as I am typing. All the commands will be given in the video description. For now, just watch the video till we find the solution, then you can just copy the commands and use them later. First, we will type ipconfig/flush DNS followed by pressing enter. Now, the command prompt will flush your DNS instantly and a message will display stating successfully flush the DNS resolver cache as you can see. Similarly, repeat the same process by typing the following commands as I am doing. Now you are done. This simple command will flush out the DNS cache instantly. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more such videos.